Whether you are looking for a teaching or non-teaching position, EdJoin.org is where you will find the vast majority of education jobs posted. You can also apply for most positions directly from EdJoin. Because there are a few districts that have their own recruitment web pages, you may also consider looking directly on the Human Resources site of a specific school or district if you don't see a posting here. To make your process more efficient, the first thing you will want to do when you go to edjoin.org is to create an account. This will allow you to save searches, create job wish lists, and apply to open positions. Click on the Login Register button and fill in all the items that have a red asterisk. You can also continue to build your profile or come back later to complete it. If you are coming back at a later time to complete your profile, click on My EdJoin and Edit Profile after you are logged in. To continue building your profile, you're first going to add in some basic contact information. There is also additional About You information you can complete. This is optional and includes any language you have a proficiency in, as well as ethnicity and gender identification. On the right side of the page, you'll see links to additional information and resources. It isn't necessary to complete each section right away, but because most positions require you to apply through EdJoin, having these sections completed will save you time once you do begin to submit applications. You can also choose to exclude your information from the EdJoin Applicant Bank, which is a resource for districts to use if they would like to proactively search for potential candidates. Again, be sure to click Save on each page. Under My Employment, you will add information about previous employment, beginning with the most recent. This information should be consistent with your resume. Under My References, you have the opportunity to list 3 professional references who have first-hand knowledge of your job performance. These are typically those who have supervised you in a professional capacity. In the My Education section, you will add in your high school and any additional college, school, or university information. The My Credentials section is primarily for positions that require a teaching or school administration credential. Under My Attachments, you will upload copies of items such as your resume, your letter of introduction, letters of recommendation, and other documents required for the application. When you apply for a position, you will select the document specifically requested in that job posting. Your attachment library will then show the documents you have uploaded. You can preview them, change the type if you made an error when first uploading, indicate if you would like them to be available to educational entities searching for applicants on EdJoin, or delete them if they are no longer relevant. Before we look at how to search for positions you are interested in, let's talk briefly about the 2 main categories you will see. Certificated positions require an education credential. Classified positions are non-teaching or school administrative positions. These include a wide range of jobs including IT professionals, accounting and payroll, maintenance staff, bus drivers, instructional aides, food service professionals, health aides, nurses, office staff, and many, many more. The general search works well if you would like to search directly for all jobs within a specific school or district. You can also search for jobs within your region or by all recent job postings, but an advanced search allows you to really tailor your search. Once you click on Advanced Search, you can select the search criteria that will help you locate the current listings in your area that apply most directly to your skills and expertise. You can include keywords and the job type or types you're interested in. You can also narrow it down to the state and county. Once you search, you'll see a list of positions that meet your selected criteria. If there is a red X, you would need to click on the blue job title to learn more about the position, including the application process required. The green check indicates you would apply directly on EdJoin. You'll also see when the job was posted, the deadline for applications, the school or district and their location, along with salary information. Salary may be listed as per hour, month, annual, or DOE, depending on experience. If you need to narrow or adjust your search more, you can do that as well by either selecting specific job categories or by clicking on Refine Search Criteria. Click on a job listing to learn more about that specific opportunity, including a description, requirements, qualifications, and more. If you are logged into EdJoin, you can add the posting to your wish list to review later, or click on Apply. When you click on Apply, you will see the specific information required for that position. Personal information you have already entered in your profile will show here if you are logged in. There may also be some additional questions. These are specific to each organization and job posting. Click Save as you go and then add the additional information and documents requested for that job posting. Keep in mind that organizations will generally not look at any application that is incomplete. Be sure to include all of the requested items and only the requested items. Make sure references are current. It's best that they be individuals who have been your supervisor or have overseen your work. Also, double-check to be sure all required attachments have been included and very carefully proofread before you hit Submit. If you apply through EdJoin, be sure to check back under My EdJoin Messages for communication related to your application. You'll see if your application has been viewed. You may also see emails from the district. All the best on your job search through EdJoin. Schools and districts are always looking for talented individuals who are ready to impact schools and support students. We hope you're one of those individuals.